Durairajan, and today we are gonna see a tasty and yummy side dish, which is the unique green peas gravy. Come on, let's do it! But wait, there is another note for you. If you add the grinded coconut in it, our dish will turn into the tasty and yummy green peas kurma. But today we are not going to add the grinded coconut in it. So we are going to make it as a green peas gravy. So for our dish, the most important thing is the dried green peas only. And see, that's at first so small and then so hard. So for making it so bulge and then so soft, we have to first soak it in water for 8 to 10 hours, and then in a cooker we have to add the soaked green peas in it, and then to make the green peas sink that level we have to add the water in it, and then we add the salt required to that, and then we have to close the lid. When the steam comes, you have to add the weight, and then when the whistle comes, you have to simmer it for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, it becomes bulge and so soft. And look at that, that's very bulged. Wait, let me show you. See, that is very bulged. No, now see the difference between the both. See, it's even so soft, and I will eat it. That's so yummy. Like this way only you have to keep it in the cooker and boil it. And these are the ingredients which we need. Now in a pan we add 2 teaspoons of oil in it. When the oil is heated, we add 1 cinnamon and 1 clove in it, and then stir it well. Now we add the 2 finely chopped onions in it, and then we add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then stir it well. Now we add 3 green chilies. If you think that you don't need that much spiciness in your dish, you can also avoid the green chilies in it. And now we add 2 finely chopped tomatoes in it, and then we add the masalas, which is like chili powder, garam masala, and coriander powder. Those are all 1 teaspoon, and then the turmeric powder and fennel seeds. Those are just half teaspoon, and then we mix all the masalas, and after stirring it well, we add 1 cup of this boiled green peas. We add the water of boiled green peas, and then 2 cup of boiled green peas in it, and then we add after adding water, we add the salt in it as required for our tomatoes and onions, and then close the lid, and when you open, we are ready with our dish. So you can eat this with chapati, puri, and it tastes very well with any type of dish. That's very nice. So you have also try it. You should. So try like that, enjoy, and I'm very curious. So we are finally add some coriander leaves in it and mix it. So try like that. That gives the best smell and flavor to it. So please try it. That's cool. Now let's transfer it to about. Whoa! Look at that. That's very awesome. And look at that. What a combination. So finally, we are up with a tasty and yummy green peas masala or kurma. Now let's taste the delicious thing. Mmm. That's so yummy! You have to try it, friends. That's very nice and awesome. Okay, if you like this video, like and share and tell us in the comments how was it. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Let us meet in the next episode. I'm gonna eat some more.